What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of August 28th, 2023. Let's get to it. Alright, first up, the catalyst. My main focus this week will be the core PCE on Thursday. PCE stands for Personal Consumption Expenditures. The PCE price index measures the prices paid by consumers for goods and services outside of food and energy. It indicates if people are making substitutions in their buying habits due to inflation. So with Powell not showing his hand on Friday, this number is pretty important in my opinion. Let's take a look at this week's earnings calendar. Alright, so we've got some retail and some big tech companies reporting this week. The ones I like are going to be CrowdStrike, Salesforce, Okta, Dollar General, and Academy Sports. Let's get started with the watch list. So in this week's video, I'm going to show you what happened last year in September and why I'm being extra cautious when it comes to longing anything. And we're going to start off with the S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now this highlighted area right here is where we were last year this time. So this is the last week of August, first and second week of September. Now you can see by this spinning top candle right here that we pretty much moved sideways. But this first week of September, we had a nice bullish green candle. The second week, we actually moved higher before selling off for the next 3 weeks. So I'm watching this candle right here and the second week of September because it looks like it pushed up, creating a bull trap for these people right here, and then it sold off. Now let's see if this pattern continued on other indexes. All right, so here we have the Qqq that tracks the tech sector on the same weekly time frame. Last week of August, spinning top candle. First week of September, nice bullish green candle. Second week of September, pushed up before selling off for the next 3 weeks. So here we have the Russell 2000 ETF, ticker symbol IWM, that tracks the small cap stocks on the weekly time frame. Last week of August, spinning top candle. First week of September, nice bullish candle. Second week, pushed up before selling off for the next 3 weeks. All right, and the last index we're going to look at is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, ticker symbol DJX, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. So the last week of August, spinning top sideways action. First week of September, bullish. Second week of September, pushed up before selling off for the next 3 weeks. So basically what I'm paying attention to is if the market follows last year's pattern of selling off in September, longing any stock at or near its 52-week low may be a losing trade. So keep this in mind and let's see what happens. All right, the last subject I want to talk about today is shoplifting. In the last week, retailers Nordstrom, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Dollar Tree all talked about the rising impact retail theft is having on their bottom lines. Now, we covered Dollar Tree last week, ticker symbol DLTR, and my play was to ride this stock down to $125 or to $120. So congrats to those of you who did play this one along with me. Now, Dollar Tree hasn't been this low since mid-November of 2021, but as I mentioned earlier about September possibly being a red month, swinging anything long right now could be tricky. Now with Dick's Sporting Goods selling off 30% and Dollar Tree dropping over $20, Academy Sports and Dollar General could be nice plays this week. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. First up is Academy Sports, ticker symbol ASO, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Thursday, and right now the stock is sitting around $50. But in order for me to consider this one bullish, it has to get above $51.50. And if it does, then the first level that I'm looking for to test is going to be around $59. Now on the bearish side, you can already see this stock was hit pretty hard last week by other retailers reporting bad numbers. Now if Academy Sports also reports bad numbers, I'm curious to see how far this stock will drop. But if it can't get above $51.50, then the first level that I'm looking for to test is going to be around $47. If it can't hold that, $38.50. If it can't hold that, $34.50. Now if it drops all the way down to $34.50, that'll be a 30% drop from where it is right now, and that'll be the same amount that their peer Dick's Sporting Goods did. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. All right, and the last one we're going to look at today is Dollar General, ticker symbol DG, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Thursday, and right now the stock is sitting around $155. So in order for me to consider this one bullish, it has the whole 152, and if it does, then I'm looking for it to run right back up to around $167. Now on the bearish side, if we look left here, since August of 2019, $152 has been a very strong support level for this stock. But if it can't hold that, then I'm looking for it to drop down to around $130.50. If it can't hold that, its pandemic low of around $125. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. So check it out when you get a chance. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, check out the pinned comment in this video for a link to Webull where you can get up to 12 free stocks for signing up and depositing just 1 penny. Here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.